Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you join Bigo Live broadcast channel. Now, joining a Bigo Live broadcast channel as a viewer is simple and does not require a complex process. All you need is an application and that you have also registered your account. So, open the Bigo Live application and make sure that you already have an account. Now then, what you want to do is the app starts page display various live stream channels that they are currently active. You could simply go ahead and tap on any streamer's preview, image, or title that you wish to watch, and you will instantly join the live stream and can begin interacting with the broadcaster and other viewer via the chat features. Now, for example, let's say I'm gonna go for this particular show. All I need is just click that out, and as you could see, this is how you'll be able to join Bigo Live broadcast channel. So this is the way you could go ahead and join the live broadcast. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.